people that we need to thank, and the first person that I need to personally thank is my beautiful wife, Jo. We also have an incredible team that we've already set up.
So I need to also thank Scott. I would have never imagined myself on this journey. I want to personally thank all of our family and friends, but I want to specifically thank our kids. This is like for you guys. We have a fabulous presentation to do to a Special Olympic athlete.
I'm happy that I get to present this check for $6,000 to Special Olympics Ontario.
Thank you so much.
On behalf of Engel and Völkers Canada and worldwide, Julie and I want to congratulate you. Fantastic.